almost think of it like Turo, where you purchase a car and you're able to rent it out with a licensed captain. That's probably one of the most critical things. And one of the things during our testing phase of BoatShare was the concern that boat owners had with giving their boat to someone who either did not know what they were doing, or was going to be irresponsible, or was going to incur costs and damages. And so we've been super thoughtful about how we can actually reduce those risks, as well as make sure that insurance coverage existed in the event that anything does happen.